Hey, Doc Martinez here, and I got my special guest, HRH, next to me. Yeah, so she's here for the weekend, so we decided to do some videos together. We decided we want to do spots. We had some last night. We thought it was a good pour, right? And we have all these spots here that we haven't tried all of them, or at least we've not tried them all back to back. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through each of them really quickly, kind of just taste them a little bit, give a little bit of our thoughts at that moment, but nothing too detailed, you know, because there's 5 of them to go through. And then we're each going to rank them separately. They're already mixed up. I don't know what is what right now, but I want you to just mix them up more. You want to move any glasses around? Oh, let me throw that paper away. You know.
There we go.
Wow, you did a good job. You did a real good job. So, all right. So what we'll just do, start from this side, go that way, talk a little bit about it, and then after that, we'll just taste them individually and rank them. So, ladies first, I'll let you go first.
No, go ahead. It's your birthday.
That's true. It is my birthday weekend. Who knows when this will come out, but it is my birthday weekend right now. That's why all the gold. It smells like Irish whiskey.
Nice.
Yeah, I get that on the nose. There might be some glass flavor to this one as well. All right, that started like, the funny thing is, there was like glass flavor with that one.
Oh my God.
Oh, here you go. Tasting that, it was very light. When it first hit the tongue, it got more rich. It got more flavorful. It tastes like a still pot whiskey, which, you know, what they are. And then it kind of mellows over the tongue. I do feel in the back of the throat, which is nice too. So I do kind of like that. So.
Well, for me, it's, you know, it smelled spicy. It tastes a little spicy, but it did like dissipate very quickly in my mouth.
And see, mine kind of did the opposite, but yeah. So we're going to put this back over here. Let's just get into the next one. Here, I'll let you do first on this one.
Oh, this one smells sweeter. Well, this one's definitely spicier.
It smells
sweeter, but it's spicier.
So it tricked you. It's trying to trick you.
Yeah, it did.
It actually...
Feel that Kentucky hug going down
I'm
already.
kind of curious because this one does have a very different nose than the first one and then from last night, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of Irish whiskey to me smells very similar. I don't do enough of it to tell the differences. But on this one, I want to, for some reason, if I were to guess, without even tasting it, I'm going to say this is Red Spot because I think Red Spot is finished. Triple cast sherry, yeah. So sherry and so I feel like that's what you get, that sweetness on the nose is that. So let me see.
Well, I agree. It might be the Red Spot. It's red hot. I'm in the back of my throat right now. It is still there.
Big drink on that one. I didn't even taste it because I almost choked on that. And then I would have been coughing up a storm for the rest of this.
Well, I feel it slowly.
I'm going to say that's probably the Red Spot, which I haven't had Red Spot in a long, long time. So, but it is a little bit spicier, like you said, on the tongue. So I do taste that spice. So I agree. I agree with you. So I'm going to go in for the next one.
We had gold last night, right?
Yeah, we had the gold. So there's 2 gold. We had, this one's the, let me see, the 13 and that one's the 9. I think we had the 9 last night.
Yeah, I think the first 2, it wasn't that one for sure.
Damn, this smells sweet on the nose too. Now it can be completely messed up.
It's gonna trick you.
I know there's one that's a cast strength, so maybe because that one's so much spicier, maybe that's the cast strength one. But I'm gonna stick with my red right now until afterwards. So we'll see. See, that's going back to like that first one.
Oh.
Very light on the tongue. You get there's actually, I mean, there's good flavor. I'm not saying that, but it's very light, very earthy. I feel like it's very earthy on that. And I do taste that though, but
this one might be the one from last night.
You think so?
I really enjoyed the one from last night.
So you think this is this gold 9-year?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. And you got a guess? I don't have a guess on that one.
Yeah, I think that one's 9-year, and that one's not spicy at all.
Nice. So there you go. This your first Kentucky this time. Hug. Well, they're not going to give you a Kentucky hug.
No.
They'll give you an
Irish hug.
Yeah.
This one. Oh, that one's very similar. So these are gold. One's good. This one's going to be gold 13.
Gold 13. Man, she's already making predictions.
Yeah. Those are they taste way different than the first 2.
Well, it smells exactly like that one.
Or maybe the red hot got me. Not at all.
And that sometimes happens. That's why when we go through it again, we'll cleanse our palate in between each one. Okay, no, that tastes different to me than your gold, right? There's more flavor to that one. It parks a little bit more of that earthiness that I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out a good word for what I'm tasting there. It's very common that I taste this with like pot still Irish whiskeys. Now I feel like that one has more flavor than this one, but I felt like I kind of believe you that this is the gold because I felt like the gold was just very, I hate to use the word smooth, but was very smooth and very singular and not as flavor forward as, you know, as could be. So
it's like a calm hug. versus the that one was not very calm.
Yeah, that one was kind of choking you a little bit.
Yeah.
Almost made me choke when you said that.
Yes.
Oh wait, let me smell it. Okay, now this one actually does smell different. It's kind of in between like these two, where it's not as like I don't feel like this is a finish, but there's actually more on the nose to this one. Oh, that one's very nice.
Let's see. I didn't guess what the first one was. The only one, right?
I don't know. Let me see. Is this finished anything? No, that's cash, right?
Oh, I feel like I've had this one before.
Yeah.
Possibly yellow then, because I don't remember trying blue ever.
So that's funny. When I was looking at it, I feel like that's the yellow as well.
Yeah.
So I kind of agree with her. I feel like that is the yellow, and we had that one when we were over there. Yeah. And that's the only time we've ever had that one. Mm-hmm. I feel like this is possibly the red, which I don't know if I've ever had before. I think I have, but I'm not 100% sure. I think you're right. I think this is one of the golds, which means this and this one's a gold or a blue, right? Mm-hmm. So, I mean, we'll see how close we are.
Already got my guess.
Yeah, so we're going to... What is your guess?
It's blue, red, gold 9, gold 13, and blue. Wait.
Interesting. No.
Right?
No. Yes.
No, yellow. Yellow.
There you go. Hey.
You know, they all look the same by the glass, so I don't remember.
Yeah. So what we're going to do now is we're going to stop the video. We're both going to just taste them individually, rank them, and write it down. Write our ranking down.
I already forgot. We're
going to write our rankings down and tell you what we think about each one. All right.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Really?
All right.
Long time.
That was harder than we thought, right?
Yeah.
That was a little bit harder. It took a little bit longer than we thought. Let's move this out of the way here. There.
I was in between this one and the last one that was over here of switching them. They're pretty much even for me.
Yeah. Now, the reason I actually chose this one's the one that like hit the mouth lightly, didn't last very long, kind of just stayed there. But there was not, after tasting the other ones and so much more flavor to them, that's why I did that. Now, I like this one. I just like the robustness of it, all that extra flavor of it as well. But this one just seemed to, right, that's how I put it. Yeah, that one just seemed to have more of that flavor. And I really think it's one of the finishes. I don't think it's one of the golds. But let's see. Let's see what they are. So let's put these back.
Yeah, I think the Red Hot, if I'm right, the second one, I think that's all I really tasted. Wasn't too much flavor on that one. But
so I'm gonna put the bottles in front of each one. So it's here but hidden. Here we go.
Well, we moved them around, right?
I know, but I have it by letters. So A.
He is smart.
A is yellow. Ooh, so I'm already wrong.
Oh wow, me too. I suppose that was blue.
Yeah.
That's the one we tried.
And we thought this was the one we tried over there.
No, it was this one.
Oh, okay.
It was this one. Well, I thought it was this one.
Jeez, I almost knocked that over.
Wait, let's say, okay, well, you were wrong. What did you think it was? I already gave mine.
I did. I said it earlier.
What?
I don't remember now. I remember I want to say.
But not all of them.
I thought this was red.
Oh, yeah.
Gold. I think I said this was the, no, this was the, I thought this was the yellow. I think. I don't remember now. I did say it earlier,
okay.
Though. All right. So this one is E, and E is blue.
Wow.
Get the water.
And I don't know.
Oh, hold on. All right, clean up in aisle 8. We got that taken care of.
Aisle 22.
Oh, clean up aisle 22. There we go. All right, so next we have C. And C is Gold Spot 13 year, which I believe is this one.
How did it switch?
Nice. And then D, and D is Red Spot.
Wow.
How are we doing so far? Did we get any right?
I did not.
And then this one makes it B, which is Gold Spot. So there you go. What was your number one?
Number 3, Gold Spot 13.
Wait, no, yours is this one?
This one.
Oh, yeah. So I picked Gold Spot 9. And then, actually, the 2 gold spots were my top 2. So
Top 2?
1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 for me.
Mine was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Interesting. Cool. Well, now you know. I guess the gold spot is worth the extra money we pay for it and have to get it, shipped here. So
yes.
I guess so. All right.
And it's funny. I rated the one that got us into the spots is my number 4.
Yeah,
but it was teetering between 3 and 4.
And so that's true. And the one that got us into spots is my last.
Oh, well, there you go.
So, I mean, at least it got us into it was good enough. Because, I mean, it is good pour. I'm not saying it's not, but it was good enough to get us to try more.
That says a lot.
Yeah.
We tried this one time in Ireland.
Yeah.
And we were like, let's try them all now.
Yeah. So there you go. Thank you for joining us on our journey down our whiskey rabbit hole.
Till our next journey, our friends.
Cheers.
First of all, the bottles are taller than me. Wow. I did that.
All right. Ready?
There.
All right.
Scoot over.
You want to do this first?
It's my birthday now.
So thank you for joining me on another journey down my whiskey rabbit hole.
Join us.
Oh, that's true.
I'm right here.
Oh,
I didn't see you there.
I didn't see you there. What are you doing?
Over all these bottles.
What are you doing way down there? Hey, why don't you step up a little bit?
Because you're so tall.
On our whiskey rabbit hole.
Till next time.
Till our next journey.
Till our next journey.
This is take 4, your favorite number.
Wrong daughter again. Get it right.
I know.
Till our next journey. Cheers.
My friends.
My friends and families. Oh, you were terrible.
I know. It's my birthday. It'll be nice.
Okay. It was great.
Right. Thank you for joining us on our journey down our whiskey rabbit hole. I finally said it, and you're looking down. Thank you for joining us on our...
So angry.
You're an angry elf.
You're an angry elf. All right.
All right. Let's take a sip.
Reverse.
There's nothing in here to sip. You freaking drank.
I forgot I did that. Yeah.
You suck. All right.
I know. I forgot I finished it. I was like,
you fucking finish all of them?
What? No. If you do that, yeah, that one I didn't finish. I promise.
Okay.
All right. Cut.